Ancient trees, with their towering presence and enduring wisdom, have long captivated the human imagination. Beyond their majestic appearance lies a hidden world of communication, where these arboreal giants engage in a fascinating exchange of nutrients and information through underground networks. In this article, we delve into the mysteries of ancient trees and explore the intricate web of communication that sustains their communities. Are you captivated by the wonders of nature, intrigued by the mysteries of the forest, and eager to explore the hidden connections that sustain life on our planet? If so, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a journey of discovery through the enchanted realms of ancient trees and the intricate ecosystems they inhabit. Join us as we unravel the secrets of the wood wide web, delve into the wisdom of centuries-old forests, and uncover the awe-inspiring beauty of nature's most majestic guardians. Ancient trees, guardians of centuries. Ancient trees are not merely relics of the past. They are living witnesses to history, standing as guardians of centuries. These venerable beings have weathered the passage of time, their gnarled branches reaching towards the sky with a quiet resilience. Found in diverse ecosystems around the world, from ancient forests to secluded groves, these trees embody the interconnectedness of life on our planet. The wisdom of ages, lifelong learners, despite their stationary existence, ancient trees are far from passive observers of the world around them. Through their extensive root systems and symbiotic relationships with fungi, these trees engage in a dynamic dialogue with their environment. Over the course of their long lives, which can span hundreds or even thousands of years, they accumulate a wealth of knowledge about their surroundings, from changes in climate to the presence of neighboring plants and animals. Beneath the surface of the forest floor lies a hidden world teeming with life and activity, where ancient trees are connected through a vast and intricate network of mycorrhizal fungi. This underground communication system, often referred to as the wood wide web, serves as the lifeline of the forest, facilitating the exchange of nutrients, water, and information among trees, fungi, and other organisms. At the heart of this network are mycorrhizal fungi, which form symbiotic relationships with the roots of trees. These fungi extend their delicate filaments, known as hyphae, into the surrounding soil, where they form intimate connections with the root tips of trees. In exchange for sugars produced through photosynthesis, the fungi provide trees with access to essential nutrients such as phosphorus, nitrogen, and micronutrients, which are often scarce in the soil. Through this mutually beneficial relationship, ancient trees are able to thrive in diverse and sometimes challenging environments, from nutrient-poor soils to waterlogged swamps. The fungi act as extensions of the tree's root systems, vastly increasing their surface area for nutrient absorption and enhancing their ability to withstand environmental stressors, such as drought or disease. But the benefits of the wood wide web extend beyond simple nutrient exchange. Recent research has revealed that this underground network also serves as a conduit for communication among trees, allowing them to share information and coordinate their responses to environmental stimuli. For example, when a tree is attacked by herbivores or pathogens, it may release chemical signals into the soil through its roots, alerting neighboring trees to the threat. In response, nearby trees may increase their production of defensive compounds or adjust their growth patterns to better withstand the attack. This collective defense strategy, known as allelopathy, helps to limit the spread of damage and protect the overall health of the forest ecosystem. Furthermore, the wood wide web enables trees to redistribute resources within the forest community, ensuring the survival of individual trees and the resilience of the ecosystem as a whole. During periods of drought or nutrient scarcity, Trees with access to abundant resources may transfer surplus nutrients through the fungal network to support the growth of neighboring trees in need. This reciprocal exchange of resources fosters a sense of cooperation and mutual aid among trees, enhancing the overall productivity and stability of the forest community. Nutrient sharing, mutual aid among trees. One of the most remarkable aspects of communication among ancient trees is their ability to share nutrients through the fungal network. In times of abundance, trees with access to ample sunlight and water will funnel surplus resources to their neighbors, particularly those in shaded or nutrient-poor areas. This reciprocal exchange not only benefits individual trees, but also fosters the growth and diversity of the entire forest community. Chemical signaling, warnings, and defense mechanisms. In addition to sharing nutrients, ancient trees communicate through chemical signals, alerting their neighbors to potential threats such as insect infestations or disease outbreaks. When a tree is under attack, it may release volatile organic compounds into the air or through its roots, signaling nearby trees to activate their own defense mechanisms. This collective response helps to limit the spread of damage and protect the overall health of the forest ecosystem. Cultural significance. Revered guardians of nature. Throughout human history, ancient trees have held a special significance in cultures around the world. Revered as symbols of strength, wisdom, and resilience, these majestic beings have inspired myths, legends, and spiritual beliefs for millennia. From the sacred groves of ancient civilizations to the ancient forests of indigenous peoples, these trees continue to command respect and admiration as guardians of nature's balance. While ancient trees have endured for centuries, they face an array of modern-day threats that jeopardize their continued existence. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting these venerable beings must address a range of challenges, including habitat loss, deforestation, climate change, invasive species, and human activities. Habitat loss and deforestation. One of the most pressing threats to ancient trees is habitat loss due to deforestation and land development. Across the globe, forests are being cleared at an alarming rate to make way for agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure projects. As a result, ancient trees and the ecosystems they support are increasingly fragmented and degraded, leading to loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services. Conservation initiatives focused on preserving intact forest landscapes and establishing protected areas are essential for safeguarding the habitat of ancient trees and ensuring their long-term survival. Climate change. Climate change poses a significant threat to ancient trees and forest ecosystems worldwide. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events can have profound impacts on tree growth, reproduction, and distribution. Additionally, climate change can exacerbate other stressors, such as drought, wildfires, and pest outbreaks, further threatening the health and resilience of ancient trees. Conservation strategies aimed at mitigating climate change, such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions and enhancing carbon sequestration in forests, are crucial for protecting ancient trees and their ecosystems from the impacts of a changing climate. Invasive species. The introduction of invasive species poses a serious threat to ancient trees and native forest ecosystems. Invasive plants, pests, and pathogens can outcompete native species, disrupt ecological processes, and cause widespread damage to forest ecosystems. For example, invasive insects like the emerald ash borer and the Asian longhorned beetle have decimated populations of ash and maple trees in North America, while invasive plants like kudzu and Japanese knotweed can choke out native vegetation and alter habitat structure. Effective invasive species management strategies, including early detection, rapid response, and restoration of native habitat, are essential for protecting ancient trees and preserving the integrity of forest ecosystems. In conclusion, ancient trees stand as silent sentinels of the past, present, and future, their roots anchored deep in the earth and their branches reaching towards the sky. Through their intricate communication networks, these arboreal giants remind us of the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of stewardship in preserving our natural heritage. By unlocking the secrets of ancient trees, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the natural world and the vital role that these majestic beings play in sustaining life on Earth.